Life is a garden, dig it. This is a presentation on how I'm growing in organizational development and a look at my own personal OD library and how this field is not only going to help me accomplish success in caring for others, but learning how to grow myself and live out my purpose. As I am learning more about organizational development, I am learning more about the 6 elements and consideration of full-scale change: system, purpose, values, journey, methods, and evidence. More so, as a future leader in this field, I am recognizing how to engage and encourage organizations to practice in a positive, more value-filled way. Living out my dream job, I aspire to become an external OD consultant, owning my own consulting firm. We intend on taking large projects for a great amount of time and work through the process and decide best methods to use in many different situations. I believe this will help me become more familiarized with large-scale organizations, nonprofit organizations, and government organizations. Currently, I lead training exercises, organize meetings, gather critical information needed to support a successful organization. What I will need to work on is more marketing, networking, and experience in the workforce. In comparison, right now I just feel like one orange to a bunch of apples. Some key components needed to emerge into my dream job would be continued leadership development, knowing how to pick the right stakeholders, learning more about projects and proposals that align with my ethics, and finding partners to help fiscally sustain a consulting firm. This portfolio will help me in attaining a dream job because it serves as a visionary board and helping me understand where I strive to be. Much like the garden in this photo, I eventually strive to have a beautiful flower bed garden. One day I strive to have a successful consulting firm. How to organize my tools. Much like the tools in this photo, I am unsure of how they each work. By continuing my education and reading articles and storing them on Google Drive and making a reference library, I will become more successful in being able to pick out articles, tools that will help me make decisions on what methods would be best to use in consulting. If I keep all the information in a safe place, much like growing my own plants in a greenhouse, I would be able to easily divide and separate what works well together in ideas that I want to pay closer attention to. Where I have only just begun to sprout in the organizational development field, I believe my method will come in time through the development of this class and continued participation. The purpose of taking this program at Bowling Green was to understand where I can grow in the career world. Just much like planting a seed, we all have to start somewhere. It takes time to grow, and growing is learning. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. I'm constantly striving for the now, but the anticipated what I could possibly see, the change as I've made today, is more exciting to see what grows from it in the future.